Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna handle user input and basic mathematical operations. Don't worry about complicated stuff, just basic thingies in this tutorial. So I'm gonna first have some kind of mainframe looking header, or if you have used any of old DOS applications, nothing special. So console, write line, we are going to always use that when printing something. And this header will be something like, I don't know, something like this. Okay, and also I'm gonna have another one down there when I'm done with some operations. Let's just have it down there, nothing special. Right, next thing, how we're going to grab stuff from keyboard? Well, again, console dot write line, because this is information to end user what needs to be typed, and I'm gonna just say enter first number. This is information for end user, but the problem is we are grabbing numbers, and by default next method that we are going to use, readline, will grab strings. So we must do conversion from string to integer or to float. So let's first grab something from keyboard. String, and then first number equals console dot read line. Read line, okay, and now we are going to do that conversion. So we're gonna pass string to float, but we need to have some kind of name for it. Well, because this is the first number, we're gonna shorten that to f number equals, and now we are using different class to convert to something, to, in this case, to integer 32. Okay, what are we converting? Well, we are targeting first number. Okay, so this is for first thing. To save a little bit of time, I'm gonna grab everything from here for second number. Okay, enter second number. This one will become second. Console read line, that's normal stuff, I will not touch it. S number, and we're gonna get it when we use convert class with to integer 32 method, and we are targeting second number. Right, now we need to do something with that, so let's just print it. So console write line, and we are going to print both of these numbers, which is f number and plus and a little bit of space, and then plus, and then second number, just to make sure that we have something from keyboard. And in a couple of minutes we're gonna do basic math operations. So f number, I mean f5, first number will be 10, second number will be 5, and there you go, we do have input 10 and 5. If you wanna check what are you getting from input, then you can just use something like this. You can say data type, like custom report, data type, and D must be uppercased, plus. So now we are targeting first number, and we are using get type method from last tutorial. Get type, and then plus for a little bit of space, plus same operation for S number. We need to use get type method. Okay, save, F5, first number 10, second number 5, and there you go, system single. Why is that so? Because if you remember from last tutorial, that is C# way of telling you, okay, we are using single precision, which means float. Now, what if you wanna grab real values here with get type? Well, you can say, for example, let me see, Well, we can use two lines. We can use two lines plus value plus f number. Well, that's pretty much it. Okay, same stuff for second number. Short change, second number, and f5. 10, 5, and result system single value 10. And I forgot to type a little bit of space between single and value. So space here, f5 again. Okay, 20 and 10, and there you go. You have results. Okay, what about basic mathematical operations? Well, let's do that right here. So the easiest thing to do without too much conversion, and C# is way more complicated than Python with this. I really don't like how C# is handling conversions. But anyway, console.write line. There is, guys, so many things to type here compared to Python. So sorry about that, but that's my honest opinion. Python is way better for beginners than this. But, you know, it's up to you to choose. So, add addition. How we are going to get that addition? Well, we will say f number plus second number. And you will get a very weird result here. Check this out. f5, let's say 10 and 20, and the result will be ridiculous. 10, 20. So obviously this is not mathematical operation, even basic one. So the shortest Pythonic, let's say, way of doing this is to just enclose mathematical operation into individual brackets, dedicated ones. And now f5, let's say 20 and second number 10. There you go, you do have correct result, but there is so many things to type here. Okay, so let's do other operations. I'm gonna copy paste a couple of times to save a little bit of, well, time. This will be subtraction. So don't change this plus. This is just for concatenation of left and right side. We're gonna choose appropriate symbols here in actual mathematical operations. So this will be multiplication, and correspondingly we need to change this. Multiplication and division slash and modulo, which is, or modulus, whatever, which is leftover from division. Simple stuff. Mod, and I think I am cool. So now to check results, we are going to use very simple numbers. Okay, 10 and 6, let's say, and let's check what we have here. Plus 10 and 6, 16, subtraction 4, multiplication, that's cool, division is cool, and modulo is 4. Why? And what is that thing? Well, if you divide 10 by 6, you cannot get like 2, because it's 6 times 2 is 12. So modulo means, what is the smallest number here that you can use? Well, it is 1. So 6 times 1, I'm gonna use this like stupid graphicon. 6 times 1 is a 6, and to get to 10, okay, you need to add plus 4. So 4 is a modulo. It's leftover from division. Okay, so 10 divided by 6, you cannot use 2 when we are talking about modulo. You can use 1. 1 times 6 is 6. Okay, to get to 10, you need to add 4. So that's pretty much it. And hopefully it's clear now. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it in this tutorial. As always, thank you for watching, and source code will be available on my website, because when I'm done with video tutorials, hopefully, if I have time, I will find the time to upload this to website as soon as possible. As always, see ya in the next tutorial. Ciao!